Welcome to this tutorial on GV Enterprise. GV Enterprise, a powerful user authorization system designed for centralized access management and enhanced security. GV Enterprise seamlessly integrates with GV-VMS, GV Recording Server, GV Control Center, and GV Edge Recording Manager, ensuring efficient and secure administration of surveillance systems. With GV Enterprise, administrator rights are automatically transferred from GV software, restricting local accounts from accessing critical settings. This system empowers users to create accounts with customizable access levels, assign cameras, upgrade software and firmware in batches, modify camera settings, and more. Key feature of the GV Enterprise: centralized user and host management. Easily manage user access and assign IP cameras to GV software from one platform. Remote camera configuration. Configure and adjust cameras remotely without on-site visits. Batch firmware upgrade. Upgrade multiple cameras at once for time efficiency and consistency. Manual and scheduled software updates. Perform software updates either on demand or set a schedule for automatic updates. Remote desktop access. Access the PC running GV software remotely for maintenance and troubleshooting. Centralized log management. Record and monitor user activities and security data across GV software and cameras for better oversight. Active Directory integration. Integrate with Active Directory for streamlined user management and secure access control. Web viewer. View live video feeds and playback from any web browser, offering flexibility and remote access. There are two ways to add cameras to GV Enterprise. First, we are showing searching for IP devices. Detect and add cameras within the same LAN as GV Enterprise. Only GeoVision IP devices are compatible with the searching feature for locating cameras within the same LAN. Click Main menu from the main screen of the GV Enterprise, then click on Search IP Devices, or shortcut key press F7 from the keyboard. Click OK. To select all cameras, click on the checkbox from the top left. Type camera's ID and password. Then click OK button. Click on the Add to Enterprise Camera Connection information to add all cameras. Then click OK. Close the Search Host box. In the Camera Connection information window, you can view all cameras currently connected with camera information like last status, display name, IP address, resolution, MAC address, model, and firmware version. Now, we are showing adding a camera to GV Enterprise manually. To add a camera to GV Enterprise manually, click Add Device in the Camera Connection information window. Type the camera IP address, port number, login ID, and password of the camera. Select GeoVision or Protocol from the brand drop-down list. Click Update Information to detect the IP device and click OK. In the Camera Connection information window, you can view all cameras currently connected, add and remove cameras manually, as well as adjust the camera settings. Right-click a connected camera to access the following settings: Firmware upgrade, camera configure, reconnect, change display name. Assigning cameras to GV software. To assign cameras to GV-VMS, GV recording server, GV video gateway, or a group, simply drag cameras from the camera connection information window to the desired GV software. Click Apply to All in the host list for the changes to take effect. When a camera is assigned to a GV software, the camera icon will be shown in green. Let's check on the GV-VMS. Here we can see that recently added cameras via GV Enterprise are showing successfully. Let's check the camera install option and the content list. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.